Okay. There we are. Say hi. Can you wave? Good boy. Want to give the camera a kiss? Can you give the camera a kiss? Mwah. Who's that? Who is it? That's us. It's me and Josh. What are we doing today? We're at the park with the fountain and all the kids. See? Hey, want to go in the water? Whoa. There he is. Hey Josh. Joshua, you got really wet. What's up? You splashing? Want to go give that back? Give the toy dinosaur back to the nice man? Good on you. Yeah! What are you doing? Are you walking in my slippers? Careful. Yeah, you got my slippers on. Good job, Josh. Josh, can you jump? Yeah, good jump. One more jump. Can you jump? Good jump. Good job.
Yay, that's your chair, not Kitty's. That's Josh's chair.
Is that your chair, Josh?
Yay! Yay! Yeah, Kitty was on your chair. That's right. You lay on Kitty.
Alright, let her go. Josh.
He's humping the kitty.
Alright, let her go. Lift him up, honey. Uh-oh. Tickles. Uh-oh.